How to view recently watched reels on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Facebook application is updated to its latest version on your device. So just go and search for Facebook. Now as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of the Facebook application. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner, then scroll down and you can see the option of settings and privacy. Tap on that, then tap on settings again. And here you just need to scroll down and find the option of activity log. Then tap on Facebook activity. And you can just scroll down and you can either go for the reel section directly, or you can also go for activity, or you can just go for posts. Just tap on manage posts. So here you can see all the reels that you've watched earlier. You can also go back and tap on activity history, and here you can see all the reels that you've watched. So there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.